To trade up and down options on Crypto.com. Start by opening the Crypto.com app and clicking on the Crypto.com logo at the bottom of the screen. From there, click on the Options section. But note that this option will only be visible if you are eligible to trade up and down options. If eligible, tap on the Options section, which will take you to a screen where you can view your open positions and order history. To initiate a trade, click on the Trade Now button and select the cryptocurrency you want to use, such as Bitcoin. Next, predict whether the price of the selected cryptocurrency will rise or fall by clicking the corresponding up or down button. This will open a new screen where you can select your position, with options displaying target prices and potential profit or loss ranges. Choose the position you prefer, and you can also switch between up and down options from this screen. After selecting your position, enter the number of contracts you want to buy and click the Review button to view the details of your order. Read through the details, then click Confirm and enter your password to complete the trade. Once the trade is placed, you can continue with the app.